What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to make a speed test comparison between the Nokia 6 2018 and the Nokia 8. So let me tell you a few of the specifications of both these devices, and after that we will start our speed test. The Nokia 6 2018 is having Snapdragon 30 and it is having 3 GB of RAM, and the Nokia 8 is having 4 GB of RAM and it is having the Snapdragon 835 processor. So without any further delay, let's get started and start our speed test right away. And you can see there is no app running in the background in both the devices, and let's start the stopwatch. And we are right away starting the first round of our speed test. I usually do this speed test in 2 rounds. In the first round we will be opening all these applications and having a look at the time taken by both the devices to load these applications. And right now Nokia 8 obviously is taking the lead. I actually just wanted to make this video to make sure that how much is the difference between a high-end device and a mid-range device which is just released with a new Snapdragon processor. So you can see right now both the devices are actually very close to each other. There is not a big difference in both these devices in the first round, and both are on lap set, and we are retrieving a clip of 10 seconds, which is the same clip on both the devices. So let's see which device completes it faster, and obviously Nokia 8 is done. So in the next round I will be just doing the RAM management test of both the devices and see if all these applications which we opened in the first round are running in the background or not. And right now we are on the gaming section, and I have 4 games, and we are opening the Temple Run 2, and Nokia 8 has already done it. So it is moving to the color switch, and Nokia 6 is just about to open it, and we are better to go on the color switch on Nokia 6 too. And we are on the final game, which is the Asphalt 8 on Nokia 8. So let's see how much time does it take to load, and after that we will be just opening this game and having a look at the time taken by this device. And you can see it has taken a total time of 1 minute and 30 seconds in the first round on Nokia 8. So let's start this next round right away on Nokia 8. And right now Nokia 6 is still struggling to open the Asphalt 8, and let's see how much time does it take. And I do not expect it to take that much time, but it is actually taking a lot of time, and Nokia 8 actually is doing very great opening these applications at a very fast rate, and all applications are present in the background. And Nokia 6 has also completed its first round, and it has taken a total time of 1 minute and 52 seconds, which is almost 22 seconds of more than the time taken by the Nokia 8. So Nokia 8 actually has done its RAM management test also, and let me just see how much total time is taken by this device. And you can see we are stuck on Asphalt 8. Nokia 8 is actually again opening this application, so that's strange to see for this device, and it has completed this test. Let's also start the test on Nokia 6, and you can see Nokia 8 has taken a total time of 2 minutes and 21 seconds. So that's it for both rounds. The first round was completed in 1 minute and 30 seconds, and the next round actually just took around 50 seconds. So that's it for Nokia 8. And Nokia 6 is still trying to open these applications which are in the background. So let's see if it can open all these applications, and right now we are going very great. So let's see what happens if all these applications are running or not. And you can see the games are actually loading again. The Temple Run 2 is reloading, so that's the first you can see the drawback in the RAM management of this device. So let's move to the next game, and you can see this one is also reloading. So color switch is also reloaded, and the pinout, actually in the first round this game crashed, and in the next round this game is actually opening, you can clearly see. So let's move next to the Asphalt 8, and let's see if it is running or not. No, it is also opening again. So all these games actually are reloaded on this device, the Nokia 6 2018, and only Asphalt 8 was reloaded on Nokia 8. So that's the only difference. That's where it took the real lead in the next round of RAM management. And let's see the time taken by the Nokia 6. You can see it has taken a total time of 3 minutes and 22 seconds to be precise, which is almost 1 minute more than the time taken by the Nokia 8. So there is actually a great difference between both these devices. Actually one is high-end device and the other one is a mid-ranger, but I just wanted to compare it, that how much does the difference come when you buy a high-end device and a mid-range device, and the difference is clearly in front of your eyes. And one thing to mention is that this is the 3 GB RAM model of Nokia 6 in my region. I do not have the 4 GB RAM model in my region, so maybe in 4 GB RAM these problems will not occur processor, and it will perform better with 4 GB of RAM, and the time taken will be reduced in the next round. The first round will be similar because it has nothing to do with the RAM management. So that's it guys, this is the speed test comparison between both these devices, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.